Alright, this is off of historic Route 66. It's foreign vineyards. They're only open like 2 months out of the year for grapes. There we go. So got jams and jellies. Here we go. So they make their own grape juice. So 32-ounce bottles. So this bottle is $5.50. And the smaller bottles, they're out. The smaller bottles. I don't see any 12-ounce bottles. I'm sure they got them over here. And then those people are buying big containers of grapes so you can make your own wine. Robert has made his own wine before, but we're not going to do that today. I got honey from St. James, bread, vintage antiques, and then a whole bunch of grapes. $6 a box. No bushels or half bushels due to 95% crop loss. Seedless, $6. And then they have Nigeria, bubblegum grape. They got tomatoes. Oh, here's the smaller bottles of grape juices. Tomatoes, $4 a box. They're working on grapes in the back. That's interesting. There's 3 ladies sitting there cutting the grape stems. A grape pie. Never heard of that. Is it? Have you had it before? Is it good?
It's really good.
Maybe I'll get a couple of the sliced ones.
Slices.
Yeah, I'll try that. All right. Never heard of that. $16-ounce jars. All right, I'm just showing some of the grapes, and so hopefully I got a bunch in the store. So here are Vineyards, the vines. I'm pretty sure the grapes have already been taken off, and then there is more vines over here. So the yellow trays that cut the grapes, and then there was 3 ladies in the back. I don't know if you saw them, like clipping them into bunches to sell. So the buckets, that's probably the mush left over after they do their to do theirs. Yeah. So sometimes they did have frozen grapes for sale in the buckets, and there was a sign saying that they weren't selling like the normal grapes in bulk because the crop was damaged this season. And so I'm pretty sure they probably do, if they'd rather make juice themselves and sell the juice, and I think they only sell extra when they have an overabundance of grapes, and this year they do not. So everyone was super friendly. I bought a whole bunch of canning lids because that was a really good deal, and we got 2 pieces of grape pie, so we're gonna go try. Never had grape pie before. We're gonna give that a try. And we only bought 2 little baskets. I think each basket was £1, so we only got 2 pounds of grapes because I don't really plan to do much. This is like a memory sake trip. Robert this stand has been around for over 50 years. Robert used to come here as a kid. This is the road that we take on the way to Branson, and so it was really just like Sunday afternoon drive, memories. And so no, I didn't go crazy buying tons of grapes because I don't really plan to do much with them, but I wanted to see what it was like, and it's pretty cool. Very happy. So yeah, we got 2 pounds of grapes, a bunch of canning lids at an incredibly good deal, and 2 pieces of pie, and then a couple bottles of their homemade grape juice. All right, here are the 2 pieces of grape pie. Robert just tried the Concord, 100% Concord grape juice. So they're making this here. And so, Robert, when you bought grapes from here, you just bought it in a bushel, and it had the stem and everything. Here, don't put the lid on. I want to drink.
Everything.
So he's seeing people come up and get these white buckets full.
When I bought them, they were in big boxes.
We're not for sure what it is. So those buckets are $30, and they said destemmed crushed. He used to buy them in bushel, and I think I already said this twice, but that they're not selling them in bushels this year, but yet they're still selling them in the buckets. So I'm a little confused on the issue. But I mean, if they're crushed, you could still probably make juice and stuff out of them. I don't know. So that lady bringing in the 2 crates, that's her just picking them and bringing them in, and then the ladies are processing them. So this juice was made right here. It is so good. So this little one was $2.25, and then he got elderberry juice, which elderberry I'm not 100% familiar. I'm still learning about it because elderberries are grown in Missouri, and there was a couple farms where you could pick them, but I don't know enough about it yet. But it's definitely something I want to research and learn. So that was cool that they had the elderberry juice. And then we got forks. So here, open yours. Never tried grape pie before.
Oh goodness, looks grapey.
And then maybe here, switch me. You can keep that fork. Just open it for me as I sit it on my lap. There's no picnic tables. I wish there was, but they don't want people hanging out. This is their private property. Oh my god, that's really good. That is really, really good.
Oh man, it's weird.
It
Tastes like a pie, like a regular berry pie.
That's a good description, a berry pie. I can't say it really tastes like grapes.
No.
But it doesn't taste like overly sugar, so it tastes like something.
Yeah. Something, I don't know.
No, it does taste, that's grapes. It's interesting. Maybe that's what people are doing with the mush, making grape pies.
That was weird. Those people in that car right there.
Yeah. They pulled in and left.
They pulled in and brought a bunch of grapes with them. They had like trays of grapes.
Maybe they're family.
Maybe. That was strange. 'Cause I thought they were in like a work vehicle, but oh, you don't know what you're gonna get out here.
Anyway, this is on historic Route 66, as you can see by the sign. This is near St. James, which is past Sullivan, but you have to get on a side road like 5 miles before you even close. So if you're on 44 and you see it, you can't get to it from right there. You got to go down farther, and you have to take a side road. So I think they would do a lot better business if they did have it closer to the exit, but they were pretty busy when we got in there. There was like 5 people waiting after us. So, and they're only open for like a month. It was pretty cool. I'm very happy with this grape pie. And then if Robert ever gets into winemaking again, we know where to get our grapes. I don't know, it's $6 a pound. I thought that was a fair price. I don't know.
Honestly,
Is that a fair price? I don't know.
Oh.
I'm not going to make grape jelly out of it because I have way too much jelly. I think I'm just going to make grape juice. But they do such a good job. And this $2.25 for this is like ridiculously cheap, I think. This pie is, and the crust is excellent.
It's very good.
All right. This is our Sunday afternoon road trip.